And look what we have this morning, guys. Good morning, little squirrel. Sitting on the window ledge. Baby Precious. I just got on to him for not scaring the squirrel away. And he couldn't help himself. Baby Precious. Look, the squirrel is so hungry he's trying to come back. Baby Precious. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I had to have a little talk with Baby Precious so that the little squirrel could have some breakfast. Well, hello. Oh, I might have gotten too close to the glass. Because remember, they're not used to being this close to the window. They're used to being out there on the bird feeder. Well, aren't you just the cutest? Luckily, I have a pocket door that separates my family room from the rest of the house. And Baby Precious is on timeout right now, so that Mama can get just a few moments of video of the new bird feeder that's attached to the window and of this cute little squirrel that's up here eating without being disturbed with a cat that is slamming up against the glass. Because none of the other cats do that but Baby Precious. He gets too excited when it comes to seeing the birds and squirrels. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. And right now, you can't hear it on video, but I can hear it. Baby Precious is whining. And there's a beautiful cardinal on my fence. That's a male cardinal, so his mate is probably nearby. But my little squirrel friend is back. Just too cute. I'm so glad the windows are still up and speaking. See, there's his mate. If you can see past the squirrel here, there's the female cardinal. Yep, Baby Precious is crying away on the other side of that door. But I want to get just a little more footage of our wildlife this morning before I let them back in, or before I let him back in attacking the glass. Okay, guys, I've let the cats suffer enough. I will let them back in, and if I get any more footage, I'll upload another video later. If you're new to the channel, we hope you'll subscribe. Hit the bell so you'll be notified of future videos. And as always, love, hugs, and kitty kisses. See you next time.